Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of eBay. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this sign you will search about eBay app. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.